Today, I will show how to buy shares of BioCryst Pharmaceuticals Inc. BioCryst is a biotechnology company focused on developing oral small molecule medicines, and it trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker BCRX. This is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy shares, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account with a government ID and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BCRX to find the listing. Select the result that shows BioCryst Pharmaceuticals on NASDAQ to ensure it is the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and view the price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker to make sure you are on the right asset. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before completing the trade. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the link and more details, see the description below.